Presenting the Hyundai N line i30.
I just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself?
Alright, forget about the dramatic entrance, guys. Welcome back. It's your boy DCS here on another weekend, or if it's not the weekend, your bad luck. Anyways, guys, looking at the car today, we're gonna unbox this Majorette. Yes, this Hyundai i30 Majorette. It's a very special car and the wheels are custom, which is really the best part on this Majorette car right here. And this is not just any Hyundai i30. This is the N line. Yes, the 2020 Hyundai i30N, and it's pretty fast and it's really sporty looking. Like, I love the design. The details done on this car is amazing. Actually, Majorette has a pretty cool details, just like the previous car which I did, the Renault Twingo. Yes, check that out. If you haven't watched that video, it'll be popping up on the screen right here. Don't worry if you missed that. You can check out my playlist too, which I'll be putting it right here on top. See right here? Yeah. So first we'll go for the unboxing and then let's go for the specs of this Hyundai. And what does the N stand for, you ask? Well, it's just the performance division of the Hyundai. Just like the Mercedes has AMG and the BMW has its M, and of course the Audi has the RS version. Similar way, this Hyundai has the N line, which is the more performance version. And N is actually just the name of where the performance division is located in South Korea. So yeah, that's pretty much about the whole Hyundai thing. And one more thing I forgot to add, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, what were you doing? Just subscribe right away not to miss any of my unboxing updates, and also press the bell icon so that you can be first to every video whichever I launch. Okay, every weekend that is. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because I'll be putting this car's images in more detail, like the posts obviously, and I'll be putting some motivational quotes too, so that you guys can get motivated and do your stuff right. Anyways, let's hit the unboxing. Wow guys, Majorette didn't disappoint, and this is what it looks like, the Majorette version of the Hyundai i30, and it looks amazing. You have the Hyundai logo at the front and the grills are superb. You have the Hyundai's headlights, which is glass as I told you before, and you have the proper bottom grille too. This is so nice, guys. The detailings on this car is on point. Of course, slightly faded on the sides, but still, it's really very nice. And the interior, of course, the interior is the best part. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, the interior part of this car, it's detailed so very well. And you have the side view mirrors, which you can't miss. The wheels of this car is on another level, guys. Wow, these custom wheels look pretty damn amazing. And as we take a look at the back, you have the Hyundai logo, you have the i30N, and of course this tail lamps are pretty damn nice. That's so cool, guys. You have exhausts which are tiny, but still it's the original size, which is so damn nice, guys. It's a 4-door car, and here you go at the bottom. Yeah, you get suspensions with these, as I told you in the last time's video. You get suspensions in these cars, which is so amazing. Here it's written Majorette and made in Thailand. Oh wait, yeah, Hyundai i30N. Its scale is somewhere 164. Yeah, it's written 164 right there. And there's some other bunch of letters written down there. I just can't read them. Well, leaving that, guys, this car is so cool. I really love the design details of this car. It has really impressed me, especially the wheels and the interior. So that is the round look of this Majorette. Let's go for the specs of this N line. Stock specs of the Hyundai i30N right here. First, let's start off with the top speed, the best part. The top speed of this car is 250 kilometers per hour. That's 155 miles per hour. It is actually very, very impressive. I'll tell you why it's impressive later. Let's go for the acceleration time. The acceleration time is 5 to 6 seconds, 0 to 60. Not bad. It is good, actually. Going for the horsepower, it's very impressive. That's 280 horsepower producing 392 newton meters of torque, which is impressive. And the engine, of course you guys know it, the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. That's really impressive, producing 280 horsepower for a hatch. this is a serious hot hatch, guys. And talking about its transmission, the transmission, you get two options. One is a 6-speed short throw manual, that is also good, and the other one is an 8-speed dual clutch, which is even better. And talking about the body style is, of course, you guys know, 5-door hatchback. And why was I telling that the top speed and the acceleration is good is because this car is only a front wheel drive, and even in the N line you get only front wheel drive. You don't get the all wheel drive like those rally type Hyundais. Well, yeah, that's quite disappointing. It's pretty sad, you know. Well, that's the specs, guys, and now let's go for the ratings. Yes, I've seen all of its specs and the details that the Majorette has done to this car, so I give it an 8, no, a 9.8 out of 10, guys. Yes, this car has scored the highest compared to most of these cars this week. So comment your ratings down below. Let me know in the comment box what are your thoughts on this N from the Majorette. And I'll be seeing you all next week, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and also share to all your friends and family, all your car enthusiast friends who have missed my unboxing. Share to all of them. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye bye. DCS out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.